Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to cancel your ChatGPT subscriptions. Okay, it's very simple. So I have already ChatGPT Plus, ChatGPT Go I have. Okay, if you want to cancel subscriptions, it's very simple. You need to log in with your account, and the left bottom corner you can see your profile icon. You need to click on that and then go to settings. Okay, so under account, here you can see these options. If you have active subscriptions, then click on manage and click on cancel subscriptions. So again, if you tap this cancel subscriptions, that's it. For me, it will be ending on December 4th. Okay, so your end date will be vary. Okay, so simple. So already I have got 1 year free subscriptions. So before that, if you want to cancel it, you can cancel it. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put in comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.